Hello everybody, it is your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another ASL Create and Relate here at Create and Relate. Still working on that part, but we're going to get it. We are definitely going to get it. Okay, I'm here for your fourth ASL lesson. Forgive the head wrap. Okay, we're here for our fourth lesson today, and that's going to be the letter D. And I'm going to kind of stick with the 3 words to go along with it. The next ASL lesson will be a little quiz. Just a little quiz. I'm going to show you the sign. I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to give me your answer, and it's only going to be 10 of them. It's only going to be 10, so I'm not going to overwhelm you. I promise. Then we're going to do another quiz after that. That's just going to be the alphabets. And I'm going to spell a few words because we have 4 letters now as of today. And with those, I am so sorry. Should have checked that out before I got up here. I don't want to scare you all away with skeleton hands. Sandpaper skeleton. I'm using my hands to talk, so I guess to you. Okay, so if I'm using my hands to talk to you, instead of dry lips, do you call that dry tips? Okay. Had to throw that in. I've been feeling humorous all morning. I've been shooting for one all day. Got it. Okay. Alright, so today's alphabet is the letter D. The letter D. And simply, just like you're holding up a church finger. Just a D. A D. Okay? Which is bringing us directly to our first word. We're going to keep this letter D up. Put your non-dominant arm flat up in front of you, elbow atop the 4 fingers, and bring it straight down. And that is day. Day. Okay? Day. Please forgive the background noise. I've got Minion 2 in here with me, looking at TV. Alright, now for word number 2, we're going to do decrease, as we do a lot of that in crocheting. And it's simply 2 fingers, 2 fingers. Fingers flat atop the non-dominant hand, and we're just going to drop them off. Decrease. Decrease. Kind of like your fingers are jumping off a cliff. Decrease. And I don't know if you heard me when I said that we're going to drop it off, which is our next word. Look at that segue. Okay. Drop. 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 Okay, we had fairly easy words today. I'm sorry, y'all. Not too long, got up pre-recording all of these. I got like 3 more videos to do after this one, but I'm not rushing you. No, this is just a grooming me thing that I'm talking about. So taking it from the top. First, we're looking at the letter D. 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 Even from behind, it looks like a D, almost just a 1. But your fingers are cinched together. D. Okay? And it's top of the day to you. Day. What day is it? Day. Just pointing to the 12 o'clock hour and bringing it down. Now, for a quick reference, as I told you, sometimes there's several signs that can mean the same thing, just like there is one sign that can mean several things, just like in the English language. You can also use a flat hand. Day. Day. I associate a lot of things, so the D for me does it for day, but you can also do a flat hand. day. Day. Okay? Bringing our stitches down. We're starting to bring this tam together and get into that folding up part. So we want to decrease, 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 decrease. Okay? 2 fingers flat on top, decrease, just like they're jumping off the ledge. Decrease. And because I'm so short, I'm going to tilt this down some, just so you can get like the full effect of this. 2 fists out in front and just push them down. Drop. Drop it. Did you mean to drop that stitch? Which is why I had to take my whole knitting project loose, because I actually dropped a stitch. For those of you who don't know, I am learning to knit. Drop. So one more time, a little quicker. D. Day. Decrease. And drop. That is our lesson for today. Don't forget to love yourself, because self-love is the greatest love of all. And you can't give others the love they deserve if you don't love yourself the way you deserve to be loved. Okay? And you deserve the best. And knowing all of that I, Kitty Lane, love you too. So until our next lesson or quiz, peace out.